Hi, my name is Mike Collins, and I'll be teaching the Photoshop 0 to 60 in a week class. And if you haven't signed up for it, I don't know why you didn't. But anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to make your I'm Going to Texas School class badge or button for posting on social media. So here we go. Let's go ahead and make things happen. Okay, the first thing we have is we have our button or badge, whatever you want to call it. And what I'm going to do is I am going to make magic. So my picture, which is the one I want to put in there, is low key. It's not a high key picture. So I chose the gray print along with the 50 for the 50th year of Texas school. And we're going to make it so hard to do. You're going to get so confused. Not. This is what I do. I teach basic, easy stuff. The fastest thing to do is make a copy of this layer. There's 10 different ways to do it. You can drag it down to the plus sign down here. You can go up here to layer, copy layer. I don't want to do all that. Command or Control J will make another copy of that layer. Boom, we have a second copy. We're going to highlight the first layer, which is layer one. And I want to make sure that's the layer we're working with right now. I'm going to take my picture from the left-hand side tab, and I'm just going to use the Move tool, V for Move, or click on the Move tool, which is up at the top left corner up here. And I'm going to drag it up, hold it on top of that tab where it says I'm going to school, drag it back down, hold the Shift key to center it, and that's not what I want looking at me while I've got the badge. However, that will work right there. I can make it a little bit smaller with Command or Control T. And you can see my transformation corners are way outside the picture. So we'll just hit Command 0, Control 0. And we're going to make it just a little bit smaller so I fit in there a whole lot better. Move them up a little bit more. Lock it in. You can hit the Enter key, the Return key, or you can hit the checkbox at the Command T you have up here. You have the checkbox right there. That locks it in as well. And the easiest thing to do from here is on my layers panel, I'm going to go to the three layers or the three, what looks like a pancake or a hamburger, whatever you want to call it. And I'm going to go down to the bottom. Actually, they moved it. It's in the middle now. It used to be at the bottom. Now it's in the middle. We're going to go to flatten image. It's now flattened image. We're going to save it. So we'll go to File, Save As. And I hate doing this because I like keyboard shortcuts so much faster. And you can see the keyboard shortcut is Command or Control Shift S. So Command Control Shift S. I'm going to save it in the folder that I found the I'm going to's. And I'm going to save as a ping. I'm not going to replace the one I did. So I'm going to hit underscore A dot PNG or JPEG or whatever you want to save it so you can post it to social media, hit save, okay, and it's now saved. That's how hard it is to make that critter. So if you need help, feel free to email me at Michael at Collins Photo, and it's photo with an F, Photo.com, and I'll be happy to walk you through it. If you need help, I'm here to help you. If you haven't signed up for my class, get out of the class you got into and get into my class because it's going to be a great class. Have a great day, and we will talk to you soon.